Thus far the Lord has helped us. 1 Samuel chapter 7, verse 12.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Asking for God's Help was written by Patricia Raybon and read by Joyce Dinkins.
1 Samuel chapter 7, verses 7 through 12. When the Philistines heard that Israel had assembled at Mizpah, the rulers of the Philistines came up to attack them. When the Israelites heard of it, they were afraid because of the Philistines. They said to Samuel, "Do not stop crying out to the Lord our God for us, that he may rescue us from the hand of the Philistines." Then Samuel took a suckling lamb and sacrificed it as a whole burnt offering to the Lord. He cried out to the Lord on Israel's behalf, and the Lord answered him. While Samuel was sacrificing the burnt offering, the Philistines drew near to engage Israel in battle. But that day the Lord thundered with loud thunder against the Philistines and threw them into such a panic that they were routed before the Israelites. The men of Israel rushed out of Mizpah and pursued the Philistines, slaughtering them along the way to a point below Beth-kar. Then Samuel took a stone and set it up between Mizpah and Shen. He named it Ebenezer, saying, "Thus far the Lord has helped us." Asking for God's Help, written by Patricia Raybon. When I was younger, I thought it improper to ask God to help me meet writing deadlines. Other people have greater needs, I told myself. Family problems, health crises, job letdowns, financial needs. I've faced all those things too, but meeting a writing deadline seemed too small to take to God. I changed my view, however, after finding multiple examples in the Bible of God helping people regardless of the challenge they faced. In one story, the Israelites were dismayed because they faced an attack at Mizpah by their enemies, the Philistines. The Israelites said to Samuel, "Do not stop crying out to the Lord our God for us, that he may rescue us from the hand of the Philistines." In response, Samuel sacrificed a lamb to God, crying out to him on Israel's behalf, and the Lord answered him. While Samuel was sacrificing the burnt offering, the Philistines drew near to engage Israel in battle. But that day the Lord thundered with loud thunder against the Philistines and threw them into such a panic that they were routed before the Israelites. Later, Samuel took a stone and set it up between Mizpah and Shen. He named it Ebenezer, saying, "Thus far the Lord has helped us." Samuel placed the stone to commemorate God helping his people. Ebenezer means stone of help. Asking God for help is always proper. Let's call out to him today. Let's pray. God, thank you that no concern is too small or too big for you. Teach us to rely on you daily and to remember, like Samuel, that every step forward is because you have helped us. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What help do you need from God? Why is it vital for you to call out to him?
Auriul mother adra utum, mother adalbangel borayangad, adalbangela mo ulbang rakaragri rayangad, dit the blol toy, abol coriol, gila tritel ngara utum. Akot, a other sel ngara utum leungil, emnemedu low but ticker ring, raro huil ad, ludimukrar ad, el lungil at longalir. A adengilum e klul, orgadia imala ad, mal makatakatan lakaknitrak laad. Aad, amo koriol rabal kelarngul al kera utma el murarang lekel mar adara blil marokuil adara utma ongerung a ada mo koriol ro omsiungera utma a adel sel ngara a utma mleungil mesyo ngar alerak laal a atsel lobal tigereng elungil mesyo ngar alera utma en dekalo dengei ngol ol tersel berrotel el kululula rubakara utma sel mobile tigereng emosyo rar en dekamo dengei ol oltra ungir klik mramdala rubak le gorgau au lebongel lakati morula soamara klaad a soamel morula orbataura klaad morula atim ya atim morula sob aklau ya sobara klaad mauruk klebsei raklangar rakau yang mot miarangum ra atrik teriam ngara utma.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER19 @gmail.com. Are you craving fresh, delicious fish? Looking for the perfect ingredient for your next meal? Then look no further. Ngerdub in Ngatbang is bringing you fresh, high-quality milkfish. Get your hands on premium milkfish, perfect for grilling, frying, or however you love to cook it. Available bone-in for just $4 a pound. And for extra convenience, we also offer boneless milkfish for a small additional deboning charge. Don't miss out. You can start placing your orders from November 21st, then mark your calendars for Wednesday, November 26th, with pickup available from 2 p.m. Pick up your fresh milkfish at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. To place your order, call us at 587-1289, 587-5070. That's for calls only. Or for your convenience, you can text or call 778-5156. Fresh milkfish from Ngerdub, available for pickup November 26th at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Order yours starting November 21st. Call 587-1289 or 587-5070 or text call 778-5156. Is a public notice from the Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply one each pickup truck for the ROP. Specifications for the needed items will be available after November 24th, 2025. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016. Email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local funds. Invitation for bid number IFB 01-26. Public notice is November 10th, 2025 through November 24th, 2025. Bidding period is November 25th, 2025 through December 29th, 2025. Opening date will commence December 30th, 2025. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on December 29, 2025, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number, as well as the company name, must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
Bureau of Human Resources, BHR, of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids and proposals from qualified third-party agents authorized to work with U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to provide customs processing services for outbound mail destined for the United States. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by 114A1804 Philately account. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on December 1, 2025. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website at www.palaugov.pw/RFP-bids. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-05. Public notice from November 13, 2025 to November 28, 2025. Bidding period on December 1, 2025 to December 16, 2025. Proposal will be opened on December 17, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Runmuth, Malgeo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 1126 or emailing at hr@palaugov.org.
This is a public notice from the Bureau of Human Resources. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide an office space for the Office of the Public Auditor. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by local funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on December 1st, 2025. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-06. Public notice is November 13th, 2025 through November 28th, 2025. Bidding period is December 1st, 2025 through January 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening January 5th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Subdragamaldil. Tia subdragamaldil lortobdringa ilapsis Ernest ngiras adui, or hair iyar, Yadras usong William der Hotel, Uel Felix Olgril, Maadalbay Uel Sunger Dialul, Maturbur Alfonso Cli, El Kumangalgedra Antonio Ngiralmau, El Ngalgela Teri Ngiralmau, El Ngalgela Mas El Mleebil Omtilo, Amlos Mer, Yabadingela Ngaramor, Emlamutrok Lakamaldilel Moringira November 28, 2025, El Friday, El Di Moringira Get Center, Rabalurayray. Abadingel Ngigalad, Amotobra 8 a.m., Edi Malmaltel Moraget Center, Emang Maldil, Emomdakrang Esang Rayetasils. Malwaise, Agim Subder Tirgal Adamam, El Ngaraygal Balu, Malamay Magimgay Ngasew, Egim Aalim, Ertial Albul. Maorior Rakabliray Ngayal, Yagim Subdra Rubas, Gabriel Adalbay, mamasal oo brahil beserak, mamosubdar adad marangal nga may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Ang rakaswal rablay rangar melong, yagim subdra oligong Dr. Stevenson Quarte, maodal at Fidela Model, mamosubdar adad marangal nga may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Angat pang, rakablira etet, yagim subdra rubayang Hiromi Nabeyama, madirangal de el gorang ngirabluku, mamosubdar adad marangal nga may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. E nga kalar door hair iyar, am subdrar door isimang bandari, maebi lungireng takawo, maniro bandari, rablay rangar doko, rang ayang lalkmo. Mosubdar adad marangal nga may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Ang rarda, rablay rangiptang, yagim subdra ngirayt pang senobyo skol, ngirayrung isak swalabab, ebirayrung sabit kabukol, mamkas pasubda, maradad marangal nga may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Amal gayok, etyak malilyak kalspadam, elmura ng algelamle, ebilgungil, hidub erdial, ra nyirasibong erdial, tonayo mikiwo, maugar dew Patrick Talay, mamosub dar bebi rakamiw marangal nga, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Ang esa rakabliram yagim subdra ringang bil raalul, mamangtul hanenore belel, marangal ke lasus ra benita darong, marbebi ringi, mamosub dar adad marangal nga, may madakay nga sew edaalim tial albula. Ablay rangar matarang, yagim subdra lilaw Aaron Basilius, madilililaw Siska Sakuma, mamasal ebil reklay Mitsko Walter, marangalgel, mamosub darangal may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Ablay ra osay, mangar maasong, agim subdra rebu Celestino Malsol, marbebi ringi, Damiana Ngirata Aboet, Vice President Arnold Oilo, Lily Oilo, Dennis Oilo, marmangsong karay Mariur, marbebi ringi, mamosubdar adad marangal nga may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Abla ratamel agim subdar kasuk Terence Rulugd, mamasal uwadal adra asel, el takako Rulugd, mamosubdar adad may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Ablar arwang agim subdra ngira arwang bilita kamine, maodal ad Anita Takaw, marangalgel amle ngira arwang Yubiwong Hotel, marangalgel amler Atur Abas, marangalgela Obasang Mad, marangalgela Christina Haim, marangalgela Takadasang, mahuyukoy diil, marbebi ringi, marangalgel amle ebi lidub kotaro, ramartar alul, marbebi ringi, mamgas pasubd, kami marbek kaladad marangal, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Adira kalosisil subda morar adamam rakayukla, rangalgela Johanna Ongos, Ra Wilson Ongos, marbebi ringi, mangirutal emi womad, maharuko ramari, mamosubdra adad marangal, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Arangalgela ideb, yagim subdra arangalgela ta Marcel, raakata ta Marcel, Mahuana ta Marcel, marangalgela ta Aboet, raramona Gogit, marbebi ringi, mamkas pasubde may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Agidira kalmusubdra odal adra adalgong, ramaura kordon, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Agidira kalmusubdra arangalgela nga swal, rasesilil aldabel, marbebi ringi, may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Ayle kalsubda, amorar mangsong karay Mariur, maodal adra adalgong maura kordon, mamosub darbek kalngal gradalgong, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Tirgaruba kaloltob dar tial subda, am subdra rokul ngalgela paap maediloy, elgira tial albula. Malwaise agim subdra rangalgelamleu erongos temael, rabasilya temael u erongos, diram tawi yul talat ka. Madrang ar, marbebi ringi, rangalgela oigang, rabalente, marangalgela kuniko, rangalgela olsudong, marangalgela madalina, mamgas pasubde may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela mler door eungel, agim subdra rangalgela ngalul, rangalgela omalang, rangalgela mngitib, rangalgela alibosang, rangalgela mangaryay, rangalgela Nina Dalong, rangalgela Ramaskang, marangalgela Tangol, mamgas pasub kami marbebi kami, marangalgiw, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela mler or odal, agim subdra rangalgela karangel, marangalgela skilang, mamgas pasub may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela mlay lilaw tamingil, agi olturra reire rangarbad, Davis Uehara, maubad yorang miner, malame arangalgiw rahanay ngay sa marbebi ringi, mahermina ngirmidol marbebi ringi, mavaleria ramot, mawilherm ramot, mangalgel asiles raanchi mabosil, mamgas pasub de may madkay nga sertial albul. Rangalgel amler da sabal olgril, agim sub da rangalgel Jacob sawaiti, rangalgel akalistus, esta da may marangalgel, maadelisa marangalgel, malamp minor, mamgas pasub de may madkay nga sertial albul. Rangalgel amle ebil gitang, yagim sub da ebil asmasong martayav, marangalgel da chulita Joseph marbebi ringi, rangalgel amle rabong miner, raubadyo rang miner, Marino Miner, Maalasel Rudim, Rangalgela Albert, Radirurior Aholiba Albert, Rangalgelam Lay Lapsi Salus Albert, Stephen Albert, Matmur Albert, Madayron Sakuma, Snow Tamaungil, Francer Albert, Marangalgel, Johebet Albert, Marangalgel, Madidi Albert, Mamgas Pasub de May Madray nga Sewertial Albul, Rangalgelam Lay Lapsi Santos, Yagim Subdra Anchit Santos, Stephen Santos, Marbebi Ramiu, may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgela Berta, Yagim Subdra, Ngiras Mosong, Eugenio, Ngiras Aduy, Mangalgel ra Bertalin, Maerli Borha, Marangalgel, Mamay madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel amler da saba ala Hindenburg, Yagim Subdra Neru Hindenburg, Yadra Atariao Frank Hindenburg, Mangalgel ra Midar, Hans Hindenburg, Natalie Hindenburg, Wadal Dr. Maria Hindenburg, Catherine Hindenburg Marangalgel, Telma Hindenburg, Maberta Hindenburg, Mamgas Pasub de may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Agi direk kalmasubdra dira asel ngirgiklang mamay madaalim kay nga Sewertial Albul. Agim subdra ngalgelamle mga 2,000 rangalgela diraklang radirat kalgang Eleanor Tagesi eda saba alad Nixoner di alul marangalgel rangalgelang isela ayos Radani Marg Mamoira makang Ichiro Asuma rangalgela adalbay Elsung Ratyunu Elsung marbebiringi mamgas pasub de may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgelang irat kakla yagim subdra wadal adra malong Vicky Ganay, wadal adra bukla Janice ngiratkakla, ramangsaw Dave or Rugma, Mark or Rugma, Matoar or Rugma, mamgas pasub de may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel ang iramalgay, yagim subdra rangalgel a Henrita, Raya Ur Daniel, Mapersila Tagesi, Marolmi marangalgel, mamgas pasub de may madray nga sew. Rangalgel amler the orng hotel, yagim subdra lindang hotel, Mamelon Yaav, Rangalgel a Osyal, Rawilhens Mereb, Wina Mereb, Marangalgel ra Winifred, Besel Ur, Mabdol, Mawakasi Marangalgel, Mamay madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel ang mangirong, yagim subdra hana Marangalgel, Ueldigs Run Sugar, Olu Sugar, LC Sugar, Mangalgel ra Dailin ra Bluth, Mamay madray nga Sewertial Albul. Agim subdra rangalgel am leevil Tilo ngiralmaw, rangalgel a Seresang, rangalgel a Olev ra Janet, Marangalgel, Mabesi Ruur, Mafabian Iyar, Marbebi Ramiu, Marangalgiw, may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmasub rangalgel a Mariane, ra Cherry Nabeyama, Lorien Marangalgel, rangalgel a Terry ra Valin Marbebi Ringi, rangalgel a Talblo ra Oleb Marbebi Ringi, rangalgel a Nimitz Iyar, rangalgel a Luther Iyar ra Kalbid Marbebi Ringi, rangalgel a the or hair ra Saresa Marbebi Ringi, Chain the or, Ana Holland, Marangalgel, mamgas pasub the rokuy may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel abrel ngiralmaw, yagim subdra sayo ko Marangalgel, Motol Brel Marbebi Ringi, Makiku Brel, Benny Brel, Soye Brel, Rangalgel ayaworong ra Ruby Marbebi Ringi, Mabrins Marangalgel, mamgas pasub de may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel asisang, yagim subdra diratur Miyoko Rodas, Marangalgel Marbebi Rakaw, Mamay madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel amles Pis Sakli, Rangalgel a Turbur Alphonse, Radekamath Sakli, Maodal ra Siraya, Evelina Sakli, Linda Sakli, Hilda Raklay Marangalgel, Fenali Marangalgel, Olgril Marangalgel, Mauridan Sakli, Maturdan Sakli, Mamgas pasub de may madray nga Sewertial Albul. Rangalgel amle mga tul rigel, Rakatit Lanson Doktok, Madon Doktok, Mangalgel Rataldil Adolb, Maridsil Chakson Doktok, Mayolanda Lazarus, Mamgas pasub de may madray nga sew. Rangalgel amle Lapsis ngirangayang, Agim subdra Sofia ngiralmaw, Chamberlain ngiralmaw, Maberni ngiralmaw, Mamgas pasub de may madray nga sew. Rangalgel amle Buiker the or Mresabang, Iagi masubadra ko rin ang Iralmaw, Carlisa, Alex, Charles, mamgaspasubde may madakay nga sertial albul. Rangalgelamle evil rang kaklaw dangalay, rarangayos Dadali uro, masuset ngiralmaw, Stacy ngiralmaw, mamay madakay nga sertial albul. Agi direktal masubadra dirameu ane Mari Adiao, marangalgel ra Alice, Anchelin marangalgel, Arnold, Maiselin, Elwood, Aileen, Maolgaril, Mauradalin, Malila Yaav, Mangirabakatay, mamay madakay nga sertial albul. Agi direktal masubadra evil rang kaklaw Isabela Florencio marangalgel, mamay madakay nga sertial albul. Rangalgel amle evil etumay, agi masubadra mangyur embasyo, marbebi ringi, marangalgiw, mamay madakay nga sertial albul. Rangalgel amle lapsis adalul, rasyo mi susugi, pasyo adalul, maybu adalul, mamay madakay nga sertial albul. Ay liakal spadela dirameo ane Mari Adiao, amurangalgel ramistiga, maoodal rat junior, matyanson ngiraylil, mamutakangal may, mamngasuka kartial albul. Tiyak maliliak, letogubet sel spedek, ngakal dirameo ane Mari Adiao, elmorar adak rakablil ra asel, raspis Valentino ngirgiklang, mamasal uodal adra asel takako ruluk, mamosub darabek kalngalga, may mamalmangak, ngasuka kartial albul. Malwaisay, ikamamalruba kaloltob dartial subd, akmalolngit rakamiro adamam, marangal rakablil, matalungal mamay madakay nga sew, eda alim mertial moaulabong al-sungul ngigal nga legev, el mornira November 28, 2025, el Friday el di mornira get center el nga rabalurayray. Kumpmal masulang, yarubak kal Dios, lolmol malomak ng tangat tarigida rokui. Sign, Ilapsis, Ernest, ngirasa aduy. Subadra kamaldile la Antonio ngiralmaw. Tiyak subadalol tobdaringiya, ngira Armal, Justin Tosiwo, Madrang Johannes Ting, Michael Bloda, Pastor Thatcher Gumangay, El Masub Darbekal Adamam, Rakamaldile la Antonio Ngiralmaw, El Ngalgela Tob the Bloda, Materi Ngiralmaw, El Mlamotorok la Kamaldile, El Moringira November 28, 2025, El Di Moringira Get Center Rayray. Abadingel ang galtargid, Amotob da AI Clock, 8 a.m. Ratutaw, Edi Malmaltal Mora Get Center, Em mga Maldil Motalyal Sils, Em Umadakrang Esaang. Magi-olangit Rakamiwal Adamam rangartmaw, magimsubdara ngalgara armal. Ngalgela small, agimsubdara kaul Paulina Tagewo, mamosubdara bebi rakaw marngalgiw, may madaalim mertial maldile la targidra Antonio ngiralmaw. Ngalgela kokamrang, agimsubdara kaul Hirais Kamesang, Maromana Kamesang, mamosubdara bekalab, may madaalim edkay nga sewertial gamaldil. Ngalgela dalang abiyang, agimsubdara kaul Delegate Bleso Adargaroy, Maueriang Adargaroy, mamosubdara bekalab, may madaalim edkay nga sewertial gamaldile la targid ra Antonio ngiralmaw. Rangalge lavi rangalong, yagim subdar kaul Michael Blodak, mamosubdar ruulem marbebi rakaw, may madakay nga sew. Marangalge latokoy, agim subdar kaul Pastor Thatcher Kumangay, maol nga saang Bradley Kumangay, mamay madakay nga sew at aali mertial gamaldil. Agi direkal masubdara rangalge lang ngiraywet, raar rangas Lucio ngiraywet, mamosubdara bekal ada marangalga, may madakay nga sew at aali mertial gamaldil. Marangalge la Pedrong, agi masubdara kawal El Girino Pedro, mamosubdara bebi rakamiw. Marangalge la Masawo Miyosawa, agi masubdara kawal Miss Miyosawa, mamosubdara bebi rakaw. Agi direkal masubdara rangalge la Dira Marcusong Kiari, el former Governor Agigo Sugiyama, madirekal ng algelay galaw, el spasungula Masawo Bedor, odray Tosie Caldermens, marangalgela Tangadik, el Daniel Madamay, madirekal ng algela Otong, el Kyoko, mamosub darbebi rakami marangalgiw, marangalgela Along, mamosub darbek kalab, may madaalim, edkay nga sewertial kamaldile laktargid ra Antonio ngiralmaw. Agidirekal masub darangalgela Yakuil, Rayulesis Yakuil, Madaudalil, mamkaspasub daload, may madaalim edkay nga sewertial gamaldil. Rangalgel lang irakalbid Adargaroy, agim subdar kawal Gorang Fisher, diro oyrem adangalay, Makubari en Libosang, mo subdar rangalgiw may madaalim edkay nga sewertial gamaldil. Yadas padal, lagim subdra, rangalgel amle ngiratoluk Tanaka, rangalgel amle ngiratoluk Yob, rangalgela medrang, rangalgela yosko, rangalgela masubda, marangalgela klerang, mamgas pasub del bekelad, may madaalim, edray nga sertial, kumaldile la targid ra Antonio ngiralmaw. Tial sub del mulereng seringi, asub ra kumaldile la Antonio ngiralmaw, el ngalgela teri ngiralmaw, matob ngiralmaw, el mlamotrogo kolmorngira, November 28, 2025, el di morngira get center ray, komkmal masulang.
Subdra kamal dile la leona leong. Tia subdra godar lo top dringar abay Lorenzo Gatosang, ringir ogreng el pulsadang, o bagraibong abay sadang, ira along ringel ma Florencio ngira idong, subdra sare la leona leong, al ngalgela leong imeong, manubo ko sambal. Emlamo troko kolmo tobdra November 26, 2025, long edel urior Wednesday. Mang tobdra morgra tutal mora aidirungul Jesus, en momre kamisang, en tobdra mora Palau Funeral Home, en mga maldin el moswelb, et tobdra momdakro ol ra katolik en ngarkabsang, lobangela damal. Magim subdi olngi tange surkamiul at mam momay mga sukma martial albula. Giwaling spadala singen nari na kamura, mo subdara bebirang au marangal gemim na kaing sirtial albula. Agidiram subdara ngal gila idong wasay, called former delegate Noay idong, mo subdara bebirang au marangal gemim na kaing sew. Agidiram subdara ngingat kabuy hiyo pukuro, maibirulo kun na mi uwegi, mo subdara atad marangal gemim na kaing sirtial albula. Esara gim subdara kaur asengal Ignacio Anastasio, madirabis mo subdara atad marangal karangarbis. Agidiram subdara ngal gila dirabis lo sa un hotel ramadra idub eliser un hotel mosubdra adat marangal ge mem ngosuma martel bula magal rulug Marcelo ngirqalaw mosubdra bibir ngaw marad mem nakaing sertel bula hayra ge mosubdra dialul alonskota madili long urdang mosubdra adat marangal resuroy mem nakaing sew ngarada ge mosubdra gal adal bay ati Dwight Alexander madil adal bay berni garbadul mosubdra ngal ge lavares remurang odal ad maidel ge mem nakaing sertel bula ngatma ge mosubdra adal barat blak Marino Thomas ligat Lucio ngirayuet mosubdra adat marangal ge mem da alim tel bula ngaram lungwe ge mosubdra gal ngira dilub at tamin mga South Junior mau LB lilolang mga saw mosubdra ngal gal dilub mga suma tel bula agidir ram subdra gal ngir masungil Lazarus Maseruy ma Inocencia France mosubdra adat marangal ge mem da kaing tel bula gal de madlut ko mosubdra ulem marudam mem da kaing tel bula oriora ge mosubdra kamil ngal gelam leibdul mariur Hiromi Asanuma Barbara Tulop mangir ngordongol la Dr. Victor Emiano mosubdra adat marangal ge mem da kaing tel bula gal Rosemary Mersay mosubdra adat marangal ge mem da kaing sew Clotraul makamil ngal gelang rokli angal giladil sa along Silvia Tangalbad Rafi tangalbat mosubdra adat marangal ge mem mga suma martel bula agidir kam subdra gal ngira Mariang Alexis Ramsig madilwang animaring hotel mosubdra adat marangal ge mem da kaing sertel bula ang ribugol rangarbe da gem subdra ad ribugol kyoni sal mosubdra adat marangal ge mem da kaing sertel bula amiun set espada rangal gelam leu el limeong etibek mangarnya rangal gela kliu ngira dong Roberta Moses pero ni kay miong Juliana imiong Vicenta imiong Isaias imiong Marciano imiong Maleong imiong diri spada la rangal gela amle ngirariang sadang etibek kaul obakra ibong abay sadang marangir okreng al elbul sadang mosubdra rangal gela esrak etibek kaul ngira along rangel maitri rangel mosubdra bibir kami mem nakaing siurti albul o si siwul subda mara ngirariang benray isak mau elbil tering iramang mosubdra adat marangal ge mem nakaing siurti albul agidir kam subdra kaul mdib cheral dermogot ma diras amle o magatar terwo mosubdra rangal gela hanakong iraibu mga sukma martel bula agidir kam sudra ngal gila kapokol ra Benedicta bosudra bebi ngom marangal gel lam nedir mangyaw Helen kapokol mamle espangal church kapokol mem nakaing sertel bula ngarkapsang ispadala ngal gila meu etibek katosang kas subdra drong liu mem mga sukma martel bula agidir kam subdra kaul bedul Patrick Aribuk madir kamura Apolonia Sinesio mosudra bebi meu marada de mem nakaing sertel bula ang ispadala Edwin Mario maani Terso mosudra ngal gila Salvador Sabet Severiana Gintogi marangal gila Valentin Tirso mem nakaing sertel bula paliliwa gem subdra kaul itpik James kinateng maodal ad Rosalind Mresbang mosudra adat marangal rang silyong mem nakaing sertel bula ngayon spadala di Banghel Sali maadal barat Mule Jackson Henry maru itkuy da Sisuk Sali mosudra adat marangal rat miu mem nakaing sew agidir kam sudra deligat Mario Culibert maodam rapyong ngirutang ebil ras en Mary del Mel mosudra adat marangal ge mem nakaing sertel bula maklo ase malbul mamasang idir klamotela subda ul trigel admam lo di galobas angklir emdengel mogdagawat lagabol makitarang miyo mem da alim nakaing sertel lulbong al sungul ngal targid ya bola kal sab emel me di galat karang lungu ko malmsulang ye Dios lo makaltanga trigidro kuy sign rabe Lorenzo Gatosang o si subdra kodala lo top dringia ngira adra ekalbay nga ngira ekalbay Galisto Joseph ngira moay Adelino Santos Oilal Ernest Ongidobla Makrakri ay Samaral Samsel Marungulu El Isidoro Tagisang Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond the Florencio Siong Iraidong Ragodelela Leona Leong El Ngalgela Leong Imiong El Ngalgela Amaredong Imiong El Motor Kaklal Motodrong Edel Uriol Wednesday November 26, 2025 El Dimo mga Maldira Santos por Hatchapel Masuel Bemadak Rolol ng Argabsang Nagikmalol ngitro kumul bebin kamam El Maid ng Sutrir ang Ngalgela Amaredong Imiong Maraway Segim Subdar at Mam Regal Bekal Blue Mamoyti Tal Sang Miwe Maim Nakaing Sir Tial Bula Ngayang Lagim Subdar Kal Adal Baras Bangil Francis Tamangil o bilulangong o Holiba Albert roon mi remote marup o bakara makakamsong Valente o igang masubdra bibirigid marangal nga imim nga mga sumamartil albula ngaralong agim subdra kal o bakara ibukol Lorenzo ngiramolaw madala labulal gikum machimaru masubdra adad marangal gemim nga sirtil albula niwala agim subdra ngal ginam leong Dios timarong rachandek timarong maronal timarong masubdra bibir kamiu madirikat savior ngiramyong makaspasuw de mim nga sirtil kamaldila ngaramlungoy agim Subdra Abir Dialul Inos Brands Rangalgela Johanna Pascual Ongos former Governor Wilson Ongos Maodri Rawilma Ongos Plesam Agidiri Subdra former delegate Swani Ongidobl Makaspasod del Bekla Ad Marangal Gimim Nakaing Sirt Dial Kamaldil at pangagim Subdra Kal delegate Francisca Otong Masudra Ad Marangal Gimim Nakaing Sirt Dial Sang Agidiri Kalolngit Rakaw Romsik Surang Wip Senior Mabekal Dil Ebakyota Makaspasod Gimim Nakaing Sew ay mali agim Subdra Kal Krikri ay Samrael Samsil Dirak Lolblay Kyoy at Pisong Marbebir Kamiw Governor Brownie Simir Marbebirgaw, Legislator Lucio Abacarbaw Marbebirgaw, Mamakas del Bekla Ademim Nakaing Sir Tial Kamaldil. Rangalgela Dugor Ratiogo Smith, Masudra Rangalgela Satski Dugor, Emim Mosumam Tial Bul. Agidri Sudra Gael Ongesi, Masudra Bebirgaw Emim Mosumam. Ay ragim Subdra ngirageth yugi wadongok la Marta Kosiba, Maria dongok la Gensiro dongok la ngir Rudela Dave dongok la Diragal Spadra Rangalgela Kyota dongok Raya oras Amus Frank Kyota, Ngiratrang Kyota, Maubat Juana Ngiratagi, Agidrigam Subdra Rangalgela Rikil sa Sakuray Sang, Rasano Sakuray, Marangalgela Kliw, Ngiramalgay Rahana Marolmi, Mungkaspasub del Bekla Ademim Nakaingisew. Agidrigam Subdra Lisa Borhat Mutula, Tirasel Emigiklang Makyapten Ongim Arvin Raymond, Masubdra Bibir Kamiu Emim Nakaing Sir Tial Masang. Agidrigam Subdra Rangalgela Tulob, Rahana Tulob, Hilde Tulob, Magabo Tulob, Masubdra Rangalgemim Nakaing Sew. Oriol agim Subdra Kal Senator Hokpons Paules, Dilwang Amra Paules, Adalba Ignatius Ngirmeril, Diliad Chuding Ngirmeril, Masubdra Rangalgela Merol, Makamilus Ngirmeril, Mas Umamartel Bul. Agidrigam Subdra Alonso Joseph, Victor Joseph, Talislaus Joseph, Willie O. Wali, Marbebina Kamiu, Edrigam Subdra Hiromi Asanoma, Barbara Tulob, Telngayala, Marcela Santos, Juliana Chiro, Ibu Malsol, Merlin Malson Rirey, Masubdra Bibirigi de Mimnakaing Sir Tel Bul. Mayun Rangalgela Amaredong imiyong Subdra Elbil Hilaria Ngiraibu, Mamasakong Ngiraibu Sadang, Rangalgela Ngira Aurora Lawrence Malisang Hanging Its, Rangalgela Wataru imiyong Rateo S. Miguel, Siskaw El Marbebirigid, Maim Nakaing Sir Tel Bula. Agidrigam Subdra Rangalgela Kliw Ngiraidong, Ra Florencio Ngiraidong, Merlin Iar, Masubdra Bibir Kamiu, Rangalgela Benorninga imiyong, Radaklas Mafelisa Maidesil, Rangalgela Leong imiyong, Ra Susan Olebu Marbebir Kamiu, Rangalgela Roberta imiyong, Radira Iged Domin M. Tomei, Mailals Malsol, Masubdra Bibir Kamiu, Rangalgela Juliana imiyong, Ra Audrey Teo, Pamela Arboy, Masubdra Bibir Kamiu, Rangalgela Vicenta imiyong, Ra Eloise imiyong, Ramli, Masubdra Bibir Kamiu, Maim Nakaing Sew, Rangalgela Marciano, Ra Kailani Masmau imiyong, Rangalgela Isaias imiyong, Ra Sabrong Al Marbebir Kamiu. Agidrigam Subdra Rangalgela Ngir Luis Seruy, Rauel Masubdra Saka, Juanita Kaldung Obiang, Kenya Mugay, Masubdra Bibirigi de Maim Nakaing Sew. Rangalgela Ari Rahasinta, Machibasang, Maim Nakaing Sew Tial Albula. E ang agim Subdra Rangalgela Faustino Tirso, Makaspasubdra Loa de Maim Nakaing Sew. Agidrigam Subdra Gracia Richard, Masubdra Bibir Kamiu, Maim Maskumam. Pililiw agim Subdra Itpik James Ginadeng, Maudalad Rosalyn Mresbang, Masubdra Adat Marangal. Agidrigam Subdra Elchas Shalom et Pisong, Mau Elbil Tering Irmang, Masubdra Bekla Ad Marangal, Ngaymi Masumamartel Bul. Ngayaw Agidrigam Subdra Ngulu El Isidoro Tagisang, at Talawat Tongo Gates Ramona Ong Alibang, Masubdra Bibir Ngamiu Marangalgiw, Emim da Alim Nakaing Sew. Agidrigam Subdra Ngalgilam Net Talawat Yorigo Luis, Latina Batros, Joshua, Ephraim Machan, Masubdra Bibir Ngamiu, Emim da Alim, Edakaing Sew martial bul. Agidre kan subdragal iramde Warren Fukuichi marangal gila aulerio tagisang makas subde may alim daging sortial masang. Agik malongit kamul the mamregal bekal blum lo di amdung clear tial subdam lagamol mkitarang miul ang klam ngatela subdaul be mo subese may alim daging sortial masang. Kloase erm albul mabola kome di daglat krang lungu. Daro bagalon mol mos mergid lo babud mabaltigreng kompal sulang sa ngir ekelbay kalisto Joseph liak le tokobet spedir ngalgela amanidong imyong al morgamio arbebil ra dalmam al momem mosukma mertel ngamaldire ngalgela leong imyong ra leona leong mangarar dagim sub ramadan ngabuk tamir mong South Junior mlei maura hideos dare triu takamangloy o da ole mature hide dulei subris ma teo quarte mosub rabebil ngamio mem mosukma mertel bula Dirigal mora evira merong stominaruo Marta Dever Maria Hobson mosubdar bebir ngamui mem da alim mosumam agi dirigal mosubdar gal hari marut peseps mosubdar bebir ngamui mem mosumam artial albula eringa ma ines remangsaw mosubdar ngalgilam le madrang puk Thomas remangsaw senior mem da alim da ngiseu Pristina mangloy nginat ngadik Wilbert makayung mosubdar bebir ngamui mem mosumam artial albula kidirigal mosubdar ngalgila ringang ra Natalie Anastasio mosubdar bebir ngamui mem mosumam artial albula Paulina Kaya mosubra ngalgila Benjamin mangloy mem da alim nging seu malin sigiraget masuma martel bula helasyon iray bakas mosubra bebir gaw mem masumam Roman Romali mosubra bebir gid mem da alim nging seu tel bula yagidri kam subra Justino maat mosubra bebir gaw marangal mem da nging seu malgayo kagim subra dira dal bol takla godew Diray lolang Antonio dirario Marta Alus mosubra ngalgela otrila toy Alus kadoy eungel mardial mem da alim da nging seu tel bula Tia sudrol todringa baklol pire Napoleon ngingat pak na bert Napoleon Paule sambal manginaget yugi wongok lmora rogul gim gaw adra babal daw orior mayol daw el kmotar gidra leona leon am los mer November 11 2025 abat ngilang aramor kaya kamal dile lam lamot rogok lmorngina Wednesday November 26 2025 Rasantos Borja Funeral Home mamadakrang robasang Mangar long agim sudra adal baray may resyong may ebiray may ruro arurang mosudra adal de may ndakang seu ngarara dagim sudra rut araray holt ngiratyo ma kabasang etyo mo sudra adal de may ndakang seu ngart magim sudra irangas lusyong iray wet ma Florencia France mo sudra adal de may ndakang seu ngesara agim sudra ebgeu tad nginamangyor miray da Mercir Maruy Malik Ravital Blue Justinar Maruy tuid Simon Maruy madil tuid adorang inamolaw mosudra adad imim nakaing seu. Malagayo kagim subra Senator Brian Mlairey mo subra bebir kaw imim nakaing seu. Ngat pangagim subra rakam 6 surang alwip senior mabek kaldil evakyota mo subra adad imim nakaing seu. Imali kagim subra ebil Hermana umetaro mangalgil adeliget Warren umetaro mo subra bebir kami imim nakaing seu. Agidire kalm subra ermelek kalterworong ulbay mo subra adad imim nakaing seu. Ayra kagim subra gigrel tadip timoting irdimaw wadal adra urabaw ine Santos dira aspara Karen Gohama obiang dira kaltalyab da mangyor amasyo al matmewang rungulbay masubra adad imin nakaing seu. Orior agim subda ra rubas Gabriel Adalbay maoob Rahel Beserrak masubra adad imin nakaing seu. Dira kalm subra Adalbar Kaswal Harry Fritz Marimu Dominicang Oriak la masubra adad imin nakaing seu. Agi dira kalm subra rungulu El Herman Omelaw marangalgele Asko Rudim Ra Ivan Rudim Shirley Rudim Matalob Ad Eunice Oilow ma Senator Mark Rudim masubra bibir kami imin nakaing seu. Dira kalm subra ngalgilam leu el magdiu itaro singawa ma ramari singawa mosudra bibir ngaw min nakaing seu. Kidre kam sudra ngalgilam netalo ad ngadig scroll ad ramin rang clol ad mosudra bibir ngaw min nakaing seu. Kidre kam sudra laitre dolmers Apolonia Siprit prima oib mosudra bibir ngaw min nakaing seu. Akidre kam sudra ngiripkal madripkal mosudra ad min nakaing seu. Kidre kam sudra Elizabeth Rivera ibdura idong Adolf Tomei ma loyola 12 bang mosudra ad min nakaing seu. Akidre lolingit ra ngir also ul Milan abrodong ma dirturong hiroko sungyama mosubra adad imin nakaing seu. Iliak kalsubda alultob daringia adilpak i gobedor el moral ngalgilam ni Rubas Santos Oligong ralusien ma Clifton Oligong mosubra bibir ngamiu imin nakaing seu. Akidre kam subra ngiklep albon sumangay diray galaw lali gibon sa marang ngalgilam ni obirir Tokia Morey rading Luis Ignacio Morey ma obirir Pierre Mangsaw mosubra adad imin nakaing seu. Akidre kal subra ngalgila kadey oib Ramda Alchulia oib Chani Yao Tosco Floriano mosudra bibir kami imin nakaing seu. Iliak al subdra tob drinya ngalgil abto kal murabilitang yo itsingewo mabalang ulang wong mo subdra ada de min kaingiseu. Yablilio agim subdra ngalgil amli obirir ayako Martin ra obirir chulita olibay klolubak mo subdra bibir gidra luila eme mga sumam. Egidira kam sobra el magadiu susumumori marangal gila diraklay ko siba ra ambasador Joshua ko siba Joseph ko siba maester ko siba marbibir kamiu masubra ada de min kaingiseu. Egidira kam sobra el magadiu Ignacio Santiago diram dalyang kya Katrina Teley Inaria Tomei ko siba Yamamoto Edwina Solang Susan Rodas masubra ada de min kaingiseu. Egidira kam sobra ngal gila abarek ngira arngay Rangal gela waing ratewang marbibiringi. Rangal gela igalaw ongklung ra Maria Otto Joseph Malisarngel. Rangal gela ngingatpak obiang ngirarngay ra Marciana obiang marbibiritir. Rangal gela Gabriel ngirarngay. Rangal gela Senggit madram ra mad marbibiringi mimdrang sew. Agidire kam sub rangal gela ngimlengi ngatpak smau susong ra rangulu El Hensley smau may miritep madayana smau Sanford smau Maris Hanes Chunewo mosub ra bibir kamiyo mimdrang sew. Agidire kam sobra ngal gila remeldil ro angetiu Margar Ichiro ma Henrietta Chilton mo sobra ngal gimi nakaingiseu. Agidire kam sobra ngal gila amnedil pak Klaus Pesungal edla Roman Rideb lo erung la Sienas Pesungal ma Chances Pesungal mo sobra bibir kami mi nakaingiseu. Agidire kam sobra ngal gila bulbul sambal Rabaules sambal Fuanes sambal ma Fabian the Sol mi nakaingiseu. Agidire kam sobra ngal gila Saigo Iyar ra Elmer Iyar Sabet Iyar Estela Nangata mo sobra bibir kami mi nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subdra ngal gila Nobugo Leong ra Susan Olebu ma Isak Sambal mo subdra bibir kamiu emim nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subdra ngal gila Christina Godeb ra Carson Godeb Michelle Alfonso ma Merlin Dominic mo subdra bibir kamiu emim nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subdra ngal gila Alin Nakamura ra Dilpak kay gobedor marangal gel. Agidire kam subdra ngal gila Hisae Kunioshi ra Quincy Kunioshi. Agidire kam subdra ngal gila Amleo Baklol Kuniwa Nakamura ra Kabenor Mais Robert Arik Nakamura Eviledil Caroline Nakamura Takada, Sherry Nakamura Ulangong, Chill Nakamura Iyar Marangal kami nakaingiseu. Egidire kam subra ngal gila Hiroshi Nakamura ra diras song Pascuana Teley, ngiraget yugidongok Marta Kosiba, Maria Dangok, Dora Lee Benhart, Queen Dira Benhart, Sherla Benhart, subra bibir kami nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subra ngal gila amneng ngatpak to siwa Nakamura ro ngtroy Siegfried Nakamura, Marco Nakamura lol ma Mirna Nakamura Kyota, mo subra bibir kami nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subra ngal gila Ambassador Daisiro Nakamura, Agimiyo Nakamura, ma Jeremy Nakamura, mo subra bibir kami nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subra ngal gila amne Chief Justice Mamoru Nakamura, Edwin Nakamura, Harold Nakamura, Natalie Nakamura, ma Stephanie Nakamura nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subra ngal gila amne Dilpak Marigi Napoleon Robaklol Pina Napoleon Marangalgel Ngirangat Pak Nambert Napoleon Marangalgel Ongetiu Andres Napoleon Marangalgel Beverly Napoleon Marangalgel Rangalgel na okoy miyong Rahis Kahuwe Makailani Kini Rangalgel at Johanna Napoleon Railen Ngirmerin Marangalgel Rangalgel amni Dilpak Naomi Isimang Rapayron Napoleon Rolmi Napoleon Singerung Marbibir kami umin nakaingiseu. Ngayaw ragim sub Rangalgel ang iraw Miss Raw Eldig sa Kabenor Natus Miss Richard the Miss Marangalgel Masako Oreng sa Captain Benito Thomas mo subra bibir kami may nakaingiseu. Agidire kam subra ngul Yusim Bukoy ma Isabella Ridep maongim Captain Arvin Raymond mo subra ada de may nakaingiseu. Parlo atret repto kamasang mabulakal sa MLM malimngil basul edin kalat krang lungu. Ko malmsulang yabut mabaltigareng na Dios lo bangidroguy. Sign o baklol Pir Napoleon mangilaget yugiwadong okla.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi Adiagal Spedel, Madiagal Tigingel, Malub, Engul de Suela Dias Broadcasting Company, Tiang Aspedirar Adlul Top Dengi, Eharaorngi, Koh Malmesulang.
Subdragmildile la Isayas Oitrong. Tia subdragmildi la Tobdenia Oligor Roswal, Dr. Stevenson Quartey, Mial Bascasio Oitrong, Masasu di Bartewi del Kmo. Atargidra Isayas Oitrong, Amla Mosmer, Emlamotrogo Flagmildile, Monira Friday, November 28, 2025. Magim subdragtiragi del Admam, El Belduk lang Clirio. Pelilio, Agim subdrangir Ogor Doroteo Nakata, Madiliklev and Mary Solang Francisco, Rabla Raw El Gumr, Mamosubdar Adamarangal, Emay Madaalim,
medray nga sirtel albula. Orior rablay ray ngayaw agim subdra rubas Gabriel adalbay o Brahil besadrak mamo subdra adamarangal may madalim edray nga sew. Agi direct subdra ngalgela omru rumong, ngalgela niray romel rumong, ngalgela mle Oligor Gaswal Sylvester rumong, ngalgela obak rumong, marangalgela iol rumong, mamay madalim edray nga sirtel ulbong lal alsungul ni kaltargiv. Ngalgaswa rablay rangar malong may usay, yagim subdra odal ad fidela model, mamo subdra ngalgela stelaw o raul rungul, ngalgela biorang model, ngalgela mle odal ad malbang fritz, ngalgela mle Oligor Gaswal oiterong o raul, ngalgela mle Oligor Gaswal marungail o raul, ngalgela siksay ngiru albad, ngalgela rongol o raul, ngalgela mle dirat ambing ngiru rablud. Agi dirat kalmasubdra ngalgela mle mial ngiray ngas oiterong, mamay madray nga sew. Iray rablay ray ba rang rusar, agi masubdra dil sa asu, chungigo rungul isawo, mamosubdra ngalgela bod obak, ngalgela urim o obak, ngalgela ngiray bu o obak, ngalgela bembert obak, ngalgela bembert obak, marangalgela Benjamin obak, mamgas pasubdra may madalim edray nga sew tialmo mungulbong lal alsungul ngigal targid. Ngalgela ulsiw ngiroy may, abol sabamiw, may madalim edray nga sew. Marangalgela masasiro siksay, mamgas pasubdra load, may madalim edray nga sew. Ngatkib, agi masubdra masaw Dave or room, maawabal adar malong Victoria kanay, mamosubdra ad, may madray nga sew. Agi direkal masubdra gal Deborah alibosang, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madalim edray nga sew tial albula. Pasisulsubdra, agi masubdra kaltmurat ambing, rabay uduy, matngasik risong saito, masubdra ad, may madalim. Ukmalbato ka maasang eklo atretre, matirgel mo sa barir, may madalim edray nga sew tial albula. Marmodekal sa bair, tidakalat karang lungu. Kumpmal masulang, edol ngitra rubak, malobang gather rokoy. Signed, Oligor Gaswal, Stevenson Quartay. Subdra kamaldili al-dadu. Kaya subdra kamaldili al-dadu lantobdra niya yadra may ilyayob, Oligong Sinesio Augustin, UL the May Obak, Girawaw Chesi Joseph, Maniray Lab Riki Niragev, El Moraroquil Adrir El Ngaraygal Balur Belawal Kmo, at Targiv Rading Alius Isayas Is Oiterong, El Ngalgelay Pau the May, Maniray Nas Oiterong, Amlos Mayor Sera November 4, 2025, Mabdingelang Aramor, Gemlamotrok Pulmotwab, Tutara Friday, November 28, 2025, la 6:30 a.m. Il Moray Iglesia Sacred Heart Church, Iglesia Katolik, Yauriw Ramisang, Eng Morabay Raibalaw, Rangar Amay, El Mga Maldilen Motalyal Sils, Emo Uragev, El Dimamdak, Lobengela Damal, Ramler Iyong Niray Nas Oitrong, El Ngara Olokul Ra Katolik, Rapit Talgev. Malwayse, Agim Sudar Adamam Rapabaldab, Orior Mayol Bab, Mabomodengay, Emay Madalim, Edkay nga Sertial Mo, mungulbong al sungul ngigal targif rais oitrong. Mang aya lagim subra ngiray tao ngiragev, Jack ngiragev, ngiray lab Ricky ngiragev, Governor Richard ngiragev, ma Rina ngiragev, mga pasubra load, may madray nga sertial albul. Ang along agi oltur kawal Erika Emmanuel, malme ang algemra Ellen Emmanuel, marbebi ringi, magim alim, egim gay nga sertial albul. Tukubet sulsubra, amora ngiraw regda Jack rangulal mo, mosubra adadra regda may madray nga sertial albul. Ang raya nagim subra ngalgela atsko nirmakur, Ramagev ngirmakur, Losi singewo, ngavigas ngirmakur, ngariam ngirmakur, Saloyal ngirmakur, Balwong ngirmakur, Magayla ngirmakur, Mgas pasubra load marangalaga may madray nga sew. Yang atma agim subra masubra kel, mayat kel, masubra beviragmiw may madray nga sertial albul. Ay malig agim subra Odray Marigo Jackson, Antonina Ngiraroys, Francisca Selbart, UL the May Obak, Ngirawaw Chesi Joseph, Wilson Selbart, Rubas Obak, John C. Pkel, Mary Pkel Samsel, Ray Obak Ari, Madagaw Adal Adray Maligal Kmo, Mgas Pasubra may madray nga sertial albul. Ay ray agim subra si Makot Taryong, Veronica Masami, Mistiga Niraklang, Marangalgela Balbult, Christina Machorcha, Troy Vaisang Rakamasik, Lali Kluk, Vixi Tuur, Elena Tamol, Marbebi Ringi, Marangalge Lamle Ngiriklang Marcelus Tuur, Elkmom Gaspasub, the May Mavalim, and Raina Sertial Albul. Agivira Kelmasub, the Rangalge Lavaniel, Rawai, Mamosub, the Baby Rakau, and May Mavaina Sertial Albul. Agivira Kelmasub, the Raul, Adeline Ringang, Machoni Riu Ngulu, Mamay Mavaina Sew. Ya Orion, Agimsub, the Raul, Ya other Amai Eliayob, Olivo Sinesio Augustin, Mau Elbil Rakumra, Senna Asuma, El Momosub Rangalgelam Leu Elbil Rakumra, Ibau Oitron, Marangalgelam Leu Elbil Rakumra, Pati Eliob, Marangalgelam Lei other Amai Sumang the May, Marangalgelam Lei other Amai Kikuor Maskang, Marangalgela Rasengla, Marangalgela Ar, Maobakara the Car Clarence, Kitalong, El Momay Madalim, and Raina Sertial Albul. Agivira Kelmusubra, Virameang Damiana Sumino, Antonia Joseph Kiosi, Darwin Inabo, Leilani Chansrut Tamnil, Barbina Otiwi, Tulik Ramalig ng R, Maebil Tulik Veo lang R, Elkmome Mavalim, Evrainga Sertial Albul. Agivira Kalmasub Rabin Chamin Ngaluk, James Ngarawangala, Giru Ngarawangala Pedro, Marangalgemra Buikville, Early Sali, Maovalra Chanson Sali, Marangalgela Dabdev Warsweek, Ra Ismail Ramokot, Chewin Muew, Tami Warsweek, Joe Warsweek, Maklari Warsweek, Elkmome Mavalim, Evrainga Sertial Albul. Agivira Kalmasub Raul Taru Nakamura Abraham, Mafanes Den Siro, Mamosub Baby Ramiu, Elngalgela Tipkang, Marangalgela Ngirawnyang, Emay Mavalim, Evrainga Sew. At Robet Selspivir Tigarubak, Amorangir Etet Nervertiano, Matmigo Graciano, Elkmomosub Adad Marangal Gramilong, Emay Mavainga Sertial Albul. Direk Altogobet Selspadam, Amora Obaad, Ismail Sungino, Mamosub Adra Oklang, Elmay Mavainga Sertial Albul. Uklamatela Subdaul, Malngarnier Adamamal Mlodeal Madungang Clear, Evilo Subes, Elo Takangal May, Megim Alim, Egim Gainga Sertial Albul. Malvatoka Alsan, Yeklo Atretra, Material Modeal Sabir el May, Vivagalat Karang Lungu. Pompmal Masulang, Yavios Lobon Gevel Diblo Oil. Kalmularang Saringi, Asubdra Maldi, Le Aladu Ravingalius Isaias East Oiterong, El Ngalgela Ibao the May, Mangirainas Oiterong, El Morngira Tutara Friday, El November 28, 2025, Rabbi Rangar Amay. Signed, the other Amay Eliayob, Oligong Sinesio Augustin, Uel the May Obak, Nirawaw Jesse Joseph, Nirailab Ricky Niragev. Subdra Maldi, Le Aladu. Subdra Loltobringa, the other Amay Eliayob, Rene El Simon Darby, Rungul Ramoang William Niraigalaw, the other Talwang Simeon Aberdong, Mial Vascasio Oiterong, Obara the Car Clarence Kitalong, Adalbay Ratang Allen Siv, Oilal Chob Gikuo, Wilson Nirausui, Mareriu Re'amuri Lilaw, El Masubdras Adela Targi, Radingalius Isaias Is Oiterong, El Ngalgela Ibao the May, Mangirainas Oiterong. Magmaldile Langal Targid, Amlamotoro, Colmornira Ongi Malurior, Friday, November 28, 2025, Mangmotob the Ramor, 6:30 a.m., El Moraigele Sierra Sacred Heart, Engarni Yamisang, 7 a.m., Yauriul, En Momamaldi, Rabbi Raibalaw, El Ngarangar Amay, Rabalur Orior. Malwaise, Agim Subdar Adamam, Raigal Balu, Namgaspasub, the May Mavalim, Evrainga Sewer Tialgamaldi, Le Aladu. Mang Ayang, Lagim Subdar Ngalgela, Ebil Niragev, Rangiraita Niragev, Mangirai Lab Rigi Niragev, Makaverner Richard Niragev, Mamosubdar Baby Ramiu, E May Mavalim. Mangar Along, Agim Subdra, Uangar Ete Matias Erbay, Mangiraw Reg the Chak Rangula, Maayol, Marhens Madrang R, Mamosubdar Adad Marangalaka. Agivirek Masubdar Ngalgela, Araur, Nirayobe, Raebil Rale Maria Araur, Alvina Timarong, Faustina Maruk, Matalngay Yalab, Mamay Mavaali, Mertial Albul. Yang rar, Nagim Subdra Nirarois Francis Tib, Maebil Rarois Mihay Nakodeb, Mamosubdar Adad Marangalaga. Agivirek Masubdra Nirairung Isak Sawalabab, Maebil Rairung Elizabeth Kabogol, Mamosubdar Adad, Emay Mavaali, Mertial Albul. Ang gakla, Nagim Subdra Ngalgela Hivero, Rasus, Makarla Niray Lamasang, Mamosubdra Ngalgela Isayas Niray Lamasang, Emay Mavaalim. Agivirak kalmasubdar kawal, ngiray lab Ricky ngiragev, mamosubdar ngalgela atspo ngirmakur, may madaalim evkay ngasew. Mangartma agim subdra masubdat kel, may kel, mosubdar bebi ramiw, may madakay ngasew at kel albula. Mangaramlanguy agim subdra sisinya osima, madirang lod Rosania ngiray galaw, mamosubdar bebi ramiw maradav. Agivirak kalmasubdra viakon ringi matalara, mamay madaalim. Agivirak kalmasubdra row patyay kay yalab, mamosubdar bebi rakaw may madaalim. Angat pang agim subdar ngalgela Victoria ngiraramyang, Rastiles ngiraramyang, James ngiraramyang, mamosubdar bebi rakamiw may madakay ngasew, edaalim merkyal alabula. Agivirak kalmasubdar ngalgela Iterong, ra Constantino ngiragev, marangalgela Martin Blodak, ngalgela Nico Blodak, ma Michael Blodak. Ay malig agim subdra diringel Augustina Aluel, agivirak kalmasubdar ngalgela Royce Ratchoko Dukor, Marcelino Olgril, Serenia Darbay Mamis, Marangalgela Satski Dukor, Rangalgela Ngirturong, Rarigel Takataro, Madangalyang Raklay, Marangulbay Kalistus Ngirturong, Rangalgela Ngirura Aliv Sugi Rangol, Rurarudal Ngirabab Rangol, Marangalgela Ari, Rabreng Sialab, Marbebi Retir, Hailey Ari, Madiram Tur, Tilve Isak, Nicolas Ari, Marangalgela Kailang, Rasalong Kailang, Marbebi Ringi, Agivirak Kalmasubdra Dorsia Ngira Tumrang, Mamosubdra Bebi Rakaw, may madaalim. Agivirak Kalmasubdra Rakaw, El Ngirawaw, Chesi Joseph, Mauel the May Obak, Mamspadia Odray, Marigo Joseph, Malosubdra Bekal Avada Marangal, may madakaingas. Ayray, agim subdra ngalgela Paspong, magim subdra Ebilevil Katsue, marangalgel, mamosubdra bekal avad, marbebi ramiw. Rangalgela, rengel singewo teong, blitang yoichi singewo, balang ulang wong, matoyoko singewo, marumi raklay, rangalgela ngiratkel et pisong, ranaemi, mauelsya shalom et pisong, mosubdra bebi ramiw. Rangalgela asaw, radiravalu karengel tesay, marangalgela Rangalgela hinako tagewo, mamosubdar bebi rakamiw marangalga. Rangalgela ngatway, ra Rose telmang, mosubdar bebi rakaw, marangalgela sibong, ra Elsie telay. Rangalgela bengada, ra say ichi ma Veronica, mosubdar bebi rakamiw, may madakay ngasew. Rangalgela ichi, ra Sydney ichi, bala marbebi ringi, marangalgela dalmel, marangalgela Mary Moved, marangalgela Masaye Tanaka. Agivirak kalmasubdar rangalgela Matang Ililaw, Teresa Ililaw, Omisaran Ngiragev, Alfred Avalbay, Theophilus Dave, Melanie Dave, Mamalson Dave, Marangalgela Ngira Ite, Raob Adaltabe El Stomu, Kiku Mochimaru, Adalbay Ra Ngatibang, Ephraim Ngira Ite, Mamgas pasub del bekkal marangalgela tete, may madaalim edkay ngasewer kel albula. Agivirak kalmasub darangalgela smasang, agivirak kalmasub darangalgela smasang, ra atuaw, ra adalay na masandara. Tigaruba kadirak kalmasub darasimakot taryong, Veronica Masami, mamistiga ngiraklang, mamosub darangalgela balbult, mamidol, mamarcelus tuur, may madakay ngasew. Agivirak kalmasub daraway Daniel Skabong, mamosub darabebi rakaw may madaalim edkay ngasewer kel albula. Aorior agim subdray badul, mabilong Gloria Sali, agivirak kalmasub darangalgela diray ngayal, alpalat ka Fritz, ra adalbay rakaswal Harry Fritz, Yurigo Materne, Madira Valgong Waisang Mariur, may madaalim. Agim subdar ngalgela Diraur Makol, na Dr. Isaw Makol, mamgaspasubde may madaalim. Agivira kalolngitra niretet Robert Yano, Roman Yano, Senator Salvador Talams, Senator Hokons Baules, Matmigo Grace Yano, Sabrina Osilek, mamosubdar ngal Ramilong, may madakay nga sewer kel albula. Agivira kalmasubdar ngalgela ngit edo, Radira Mayang Damiana Sungino, Madarat Mendrang Roland Tangalbat, Mamosubdar Adad. Agivirak Kalmasubdar sa along Sano Sabal, Madil sa along Gloria Warsweek, Mamosubdar Ngalgelamle sa along Anatanyo Gikuwo, Marangalgela Silvia Tangalbat, Marbet Kaladad, may madakay ngasew. Agivirak Kalmasubdar Ngalgela Urig Sabal, Marangalgela Gimiyo Marumoto, Ra Emilia Raagev, Makolomba, Mamgaspasubdal Bekalad, may madaalim, marangalgela hideko, maisayas niray lamasang. Ngar amay agim subdar ngalgela Orag Chunewo, at Johannes Chunewo, makalday trungulbay, marangalgela Basael Yob, marangalgela Masago, ra Alfonsa Nirabalaw, Amos ma Annelise Emiliano, marangalgir, Mavayola Termetet, marangalgela Sakski Yob, ra Nora Matigay, marangalgela Eriga Nirausuy, ra Wilson Machemi, marangalgela Ibaw Oitrong, ra Elbil Rakumr, Senna Asuma, Agnes Rebretu Besong, Evelyn O. Adalbay, Gregorio Oitrong, Diratalba de Celine Andres, Jerome Oitrong, Tony Oitrong, Maamada Oitrong, Marangalgela Rafaela Sumang, Naomi Sumang, Ma Isabela Sumang, Ra Adalbay Ratang Alensiv, Adalbay Rairik Clensiv, Samuel Sanders, Deliget Manggur Alulga, Ngiraloy Alulga, Carmela Alulga, Tulik Bet, Masayuri Marumoto, Gustav Sali, Kalitang Nabors, May Mavaalim, Evray nga Sewertial Albula. Diraklang Caroline Skabong, Sandra Pirantosi, Ivesong, Maader Sumang, Mamgaspasubda, May Mavray nga Sew. Agivirak Kalmasubda Samuel Sakay Ngir Okbay, Maogal Rakatsumi Ngir Okbay, Mamgaspasubda May Mavaalim Mertial Albula. Rangalgela Rasengel Ra Enita Genti, Rablug Marino Rasengel, Ma Enland, Marbebi Ramiu, Marangalgela Ubad, Ra Agi May, Mosubda Bebi Ramiu, Rangalgela RR, Ra Adalbay Rangalvey, Elvatay RR, Rangalgela Gikuwo Ramaskang, Ra Senator Rukubay Gikuwo Inabo, Legislator Job Gikuwo, Matahari Gikuwo, Mariana Sokaw, Ahas Mamanna, Mamgaspasubel Roguy, May Mavaalim, Evray nga Sewertial Gamaldi, Le Aldadura Targib. Agivirak Kalmasubdra of Ad Ismail Sungino, of Adalvil Miriam Etumay, Mamosubdra Bekalngal Gara Okalang, Mar Adav, May Mavray nga Sew. Agivirak Kalmasubdra Oligong, Sinesio Augustin, Mamosubdra Bekalngal, Mar Adavra Xiao, May Mavray nga Sew. Agivirak Kalmasubdra Ngalgela, Aberdong Rubas, Albert, Joshua, Paulus, Ramona, Raul, Mangirat Aboit, Mamgaspasub del Bekelad, May Mavaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albul. O Sisiul Subd, Amoradira Argur no Nalui, Marbebi Ringi, Mamosub dar Adav, May Mavaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albul. Agivirak Kalmasub dar Gawal, Buy Pelaw, Bung Nirangasil, Madirat Nyer Rose Masubda, Agivirak Kalmasub dar Rangalgela Bedor, Ratosiya Kildermen, Maagigo Sugiyama, Mamay Mavaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albula. Agi Masubdar Kawal Aspangal, Rangar Gabasang, Maawadal Avis sa Adoy Vias, Masubdar Adav, May Mavaalim. At ako Betsal Subda, Mura Esther Kosiba, Mamay Kauma, Rangalgemra Alfonsa Kosiba, Mabalin Ngiraynas, Marbebi Retir, Mavaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albula. Yavalilyo, Agi Masubdar Awadal Avis Satski Florencio, Mayaad Gemot Rekmel, Mamosub Darbek Kalbakawav, May Mavaalim, Edray nga Sew. Akamaldi le Aldadu, Amorngira Friday, November 28, 2025, Eldi Morngira Vayray Palau, Rangar Amay, Ravalur Orior, Elomu Ra 9 a.m., Ektil Clora Tutaw, El Moyatasil, Emo Urage, Dra Olgul Ra Katolik, El Di Mamadak, Lobangela Damal, Ramler Yung, Langiray Nas Oiterong. Mokompal Masaw, Liarubak Kalyos, Lomakal Tangat Tergida Rokui. Tel Mulareng Seringi, Asub Dra Kamaldi, Le Aldadu, Radingalius Isayas Is Oiterong, El Ngalgela Ipaw Damay, Mangiray Nas Oiterong, El Morngira Tuta Raongay Mulurior, November 28, 2025, Rabay Rangar Amay. Yadar Amay Eliayoba. Subdra Kamaldil Maaldadu. Tia Subdra Kamaldil Maaldadu Radingalius Isayas Oiterong, Leltobdringe Abbas Paul Uwegi, Mial Bascasio Oiterong, Lormans Otobd, Ringel Simon Terbey, Victor Gumangay, Maebil Yung Dr. Ulay Otobd, El Morarogul Admamelt mo. Mlamotorok El Moringa Kamaldil Maaldadu Radingalius Isayas Oiterong, El Moringa Friday, El November 28, 2025. Abadingel ang garuba ka Motobdra Morg, El Mora Sacred Heart Church at Orior, El Mora ramisang ra ewid at klok ratutaw. Yaw riw leng murabay ra ibalaw, rangar amay, mga maldil mo talyal sils, momdak ra olgul ra katolik. Magim subdar adamam, alingaray galbet kalbalu. Mang ayangal, agim subdar the ori si mang bandari, bilungi ren takawo, arangal gelam ler the or mutsuo dalgu, marangal gela opkal taro, mare maldil, olngit mamgas pasub de may madaalim raing sew. Ngar along agim subdra oba adal tabe lastomu mochimaru, adal ba ng tibang Ephraim ngira itay, o bakra yibukul Lorenzo ngira molaw, madalala bulay kiku mochimaru, olngit mo subdar adal marangal may madaalim raing sew tel albul. Ngarar dagim subdra ngira madalabay Harry Pesebs, Bernardita Chanson marbe biretir, o daul dulay subris Mateo subris Quartey, erigar mangsaw marangal gel marbe biringi. Agi direktal musubdra ng algel akoy uloong, Raferista, marabor kasadal Laurentino uloong, mamosubdra bebi ramiw may madaalim raing sew. Ngartmaw agim subdra sakay ngir okobay, Berta ngir okobay, Makatsumi ngir okobay, mgaspasubdra may madaalim raing sew tel albul. Ngaramlanguy, agim subdra ngira dilub at Tamir Mangsaw Jr., uerut a Faik Elbalaw, Elbil Francisca Ilolang Ramasaw, mosubdar adad may madaalim raing sew. Ay lakalsub da muraylong uduy, mamosubdar adad marangal may madraing sew tel albul. Agi direkal musubdar ngalgela ilamlong tabuy, olngit may madraing sew. Ngatpang agim subdra rubiang Hiromi Nabayama, madirangal de el korang ngirablagu, mamosubdar adad marangal may madraing sew tel albul. Agi direkal musubdar ngalgela Masaya the May, rangalgela Gilbert the May, rangalgela Richard the May, rangalgela Festus the May, marangalgela Walter the May, olangit the May madaalim, raing sewer tel kamaldi, le aldadura dingalius Isaias oitrong, el moringira Friday, November 28, 2025, el di moringira bayray balaw, ngar amay. Ngiwan lagim sudarangalgela modak ngay, elgang olgaril, ramistiga o Pedro, marbebiringi, olangit the May madaalim, raing sew. Imali gagim subdraubay, Mateo Rudim, madilubay Edna ay Raymond, mamosubdar bekal adadra u elbang, may madaalim raing sew. Agi direkal musubdra mala albalu Nathan Yuchi, maopak lubil rikl, mosubdar adadra alilay, may madraing sew. Agi direkal musubdra rangalgela Wilhelm Renil, rangalgela Alberta Irey, rangalgela Siang Yuchi, rangalgela Kelebit Shiprit, wadal adra Tergiu, Brenda Nirmeril, Augusta Rengil, rangalgela Ngiru Rablud, marangalgela Ngasengs Nakamura, marangalgela Tmat Timul, marangalgela Itasyar Taur, marangalgela Iblay Kladikm, marangalgela Ongesi Taur, marangalgela Rolmi Obak, mkaspasubda Rokwil Drawat, may madaalim raing sewer tel albul. Agi direktal musubda Rablud Marinor Asengl, maebil Hermana Umetaro, olngit mo subda Adadra Ngarmadangir, may madraing sew. Ay lakalsubda Amora Kerok Kuye Anastasio, mamosubda bebi rakaw, may mga sumam. Agi direktal musubda Erbay the May, olngit may madaalim raing sew. Direktal spadla Governor Brownie Simer, marbebi ringi, Madorsia Omigol, marbebi ringi, Makatsumi Taima, marangalgel, mosubda rangalgel Mitsur, Rab Ekaldil Eva Kiota, marbebi ringi. Mgaspasub de may madaalim raing sew. Agi direktal musubda sa Araymul Joshua Blesam, madil sa Araymul Fuana en Takataro, mosubda rangalgelam le sa Araymul Ngiryaw, marbek kalad may madaalim raing sew. Agi direktal musubda rangalgela Darbay, rangalgela Ringil, rangalgela Ngirturong, marangalgela Kailang, marangalgela Ari, marangalgela Royce, marangalgela Ngirur, olngit may madaing sew. Malgayok, at tukubet selspadam, amora raklay Rafael Bawo Ngirmang, maebil raklay Mitsko R. Walter, olngit musubda adad, may madaalim raing sew tial albul. Agi direktal musubda rangalgraw ulabok, Ogardeo Dr. Patrick Talay, Machulita Talay, mgaspasub de may mga suma mertial kamaldi le aldadura dingalius Isaias oitrong. El moringira Friday, November 28, 2025. Abadangel nga rubak at tuwabdramor emora Sacred Heart Church ramisang raewi del Clora tutaw. Auriw ramisang yakamaldi lama aldadu amoringira bay raiblaw rangar amay. Ng esar agim subdrangir oirem asam yoyo masang marbebi ringi mamgaspasub de may madaalim raing sewer tial albul. Ayray agim subdra Yosie de Leon marangalgel, o malngot kikue ngirngasang marangalgel asieko Daniel. Agidirek kalmusubadra wadal other malgi rena hilus matadib kalistus raksid marbebi ragmiu mamay madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubadra mangyor rungulbay emasyol matmewang rungulbay marbebi retir mamay madakay ngasew. Oigul lagi musubadra ngira ite Dr. Victoriano madirawrak malin sato e olangit mo subadra adad e may madaalim e dakay ngasew. Orior at tukubet salsubadra mura Rosemary M. Olgari lamarbebi ringi madiraydung Sandy Toribio mangireerang Satoru Adatsi marbebi retir. Mkas pasubadal bekal ad e may madaalim e dakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubadra kabrina ti idib marangalgel marbebi ringi e olangit mamay madaalim e dakay ngasew. Ngarkaswa laylek kalspadela Mial Bascasio Oitro amura oligor kaswa Dr. Stevenson Cuarte mawadal adra malong e olangit mo subadar adad e may madaalim e dakay ngasew tial albul. Ngarmid ay lekal spadela Abbas Paul Uegi amura rubakara ngarbaasis mangar malay may madaalim e dakay ngasew tial albul. Agidirek kalmusubadar ngalgelamda aldebalbot radiraw alngel Rosalita Losaw Odal mamosubadra ngalgela sor ikeva marangalgelamle wadal ad margi mongami radorin onglung marbebi ringi marangalgela tumarangi mesera emi marbebi ringi marangalgelamle dingalius ramakal develbot ra Armstrong marbebi ringi ngas pasubde may madakay ngasew agidirek kalmasubdra buig abas Eliayob marangalgelamle dil dingalius erigayob marangalgela satskiyob mamgas pasubde may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ramli el sa uwas, masandi el suglong marbebi retir mamgas pasubde may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra madaldarar garay ngir oral, mamosubdra adad marangal may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ibadul raidong Adolf Damay, madil ibadul Sabet Rivera, mosubdra bebi ragmiw may madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra iadra darbe Ignatius ngirmeril, mamosubdra bebi ragmiw e may madaalim e dakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubadra wadal at tutod ngiralmaw, Dr. Francisca Y. Sawalabab, madildingalius brengs adalbay, e olngit mo subadra bebi ragmiw e may madaalim e dakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubadra tulik ramlig ang ar, maebil tulik de olang ar, mamosubadra adad e may madaalim e dakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubadra Lydia Otobada, masigabik masters, mali Otobada, mgas pasubadra rokuy e may madaalim e dakay ngasew tial alabul. Agidirek kalmusubadra ebil abas batildes kyo masa madaklas uwegi marangalgir, Joy uwegi ma Valentin uwegi, Eleanor uwegi manyo uwegi, marangalgela gimigo Murphy, e olangit tamamgas pasubadra may madaalim e dakay ngasew tial alabul. Agidirek kalmusubadra elbil rakum senna asuma marbebi ringi marangalga. Agidirek kalmusubadra dildingalius arol simer marangalgel, ma Dr. Deborah Ngamaes ma obi ngamay sa marbebi retir, mamero kuy madaalim edakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubadra Victor Gumangay, Mawilma Gumangay, agidirek kalmusubadra Grace O. Erungol, manangalgela Elma Oitrong. Agidirek kalmusubadra James Oitrong, mosubadra ngal e may madaalim edakay ngasew. Balilyaw, agimusubadra kawal Adargaroy Teruo Nobuo, Ngikleb Alfonso Gumangay, Yadribul Kioni Saal, mosubadra adad marangal e may madaalim edakay ngasew tial albul. Agidirek kalmusubadra ngir ongor doroteo nakata, maoligong ngariers Dominic, mamosubadra adad e may madaalim edakay ngasew. Ngklam nga tela subdaw ul, malngan nga adama malmlode kalmadungang clear, e lakabol makita ng miw e mautakang may madaalim edakay ngasew tial albul. Abadangel ang galtargid radingalius Isayas Oitrong, at tuwabdra mor gratutara Friday el November 28, 2025, e moramisang ra Sacred Heart Church ra ewid al clock. Auriw ramisang endi morabay ra iblaw ar ngar amay. Kaya nga di mo kamaldili aldadu, e di mo madakla ra olgul ra katolik. Kompmal masulang, dolangit ra rubak kal Diyos, malolmol malamakmal tangat tergid rokuy. Signed, Abbas Paul Uegi.
El subdel mulla rengsterni, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, diang aspedirar adulul top dengi e hana orngi, kohmal masulang.
Notice regarding land known as Maribal, located in Ngardalol Hamlet, Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 040R15. Notice is hereby given that the Idarue clan, represented by the Siar Lester Ngiramaged and Blamsum Susan Yobe, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Idarue clan, represented by the Siar Lester Ngiramaged, Blamsum Susan Yobe, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 22, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utum and Clela Maribal, El Ngarablurang Ardalol, Grabalilio, El Gadastral Lat number 040R15. Asub da Murabuel Mo, Daru A clan, represented by the Siar Lester Ngiramaged, Mablamsum Susan Yobe, Amlaruli on Trir and Meltov the certificate of title, Girelti and Lamsader Babel Utuma, El Murapalau National Government. Ababiel Girelti Loidela Utuma, Malubang Land Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir obisra len gortel sebe lang idil adlo mamesrengi also mangarnya adar tel qablil so alam tor tel oidela utma ing malgirel file or tangel mor obisra len gortel de qabal miodran December 22 2025 lebal miodr tel time ing sebe el celul tangel el modegalorior sign Rosemary Scabong Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as Mangalang, El Bedel, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 033R07. Notice is hereby given that the children of Cosiba Basio, represented by Joe Cosiba, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Cosiba Basio, represented by Joe Cosiba, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Cosiba Basio who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 22, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasob del Girela Utuma el Mangalang u el Ubeng u el Badel Anklel, el Ngarabalur Ngasias Rabalilio, el Gadastral Lat number 033R07. Asubda Mora Boel Mo, a children of Cosiba Basio, represented by Joe Cosiba, Amnaruli on Tilmil Tobra certificate of title, el Girel Tiam Lamsadar Babel Utuma, el Mora Palau National Government. Ababiel Girel Tieloy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, ang arngir obisra len court, el Sebelang idil adel mo mesringi. Al sugum mangarngia adar tiel tulungal, al sualom tokor Tieloy de la Utuma, ikmal Girel file or tangel mor obisra len court, el diabol meudra no December 22, 2025. Lebol meudra tiel time, ang sebe el celul tangel, el modegalorior. Sign, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Notice for land located in Taliu Hamlet, Peleliu State, cadastral lot number 077R05, 077R06. Notice is hereby given that Soe clan, represented by Rungul Donald Haruo, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Soe clan, represented by Rungul Donald Haruo, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than November 13, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utum ang Rabalura Tiliu, Rabalura Balilio, el Gadastral Lat number 077R05, 077R06. Asub del Morabuay Akmuasaway clan, represented by Rungul Donald Haruo, Amnaruli on Tilmel Tobda certificate of title, el Girel Tial Namsadar Babel Utum al Morapalau National Government. Ababiel Girel Tial Oidela Utum ang Aringir of Israel and Gort, el Sebelang idil adel mo mesringi. Al sugum ang Aringia adar Tial Gablil, so alom Tor Tial Oidela Utum, ikmal el file or tangel mor obisra len court el diabol meudra November 13, 2025. Lebol meudra tial time ang sebel celul tangel el modegalorior. Sign, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utum el Ngarabalur Ngasias Rabalilio, el cadastral lat number 040R08, Lool Cadastral Plat Number 040R00. Asubda Morabuay mo, Children of Ilarong and Maria, represented by Vincent L. Ramalig, amlaruli on til meltob their certificate of title, el girel tiam la masadar babal utum el Palauan National Government. Ababier girel tiloy de la utum land conveyance agreement, ang aringir obisra len court el sebelangi dil adal mo mesringi. Al sugum mangaringia Children of Ilarong and Maria, al sualam tokor tiloy de la utum, ekmal girel file er tel tangel el mor obisra len court el tegabol meudra November 13, 2025. Lebol meudra tial time ang sebel selul tangel mo de galorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land located in Ngasias Hamlet, Palauan State, depicted as cadastral lot number 040R28 and shown on cadastral plat number 040R00. Notice is hereby given that Children of Ilarong and Maria, represented by Vincent L. Ramalig, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Children of Ilarong and Maria, represented by Vincent L. Ramalig, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any Children of Ilarong and Maria who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than November 13, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utom and Clela Homestead 164 ng Rablur Ngasias, Rablur Ablilio. Cadastral lot 088R01, 088R02, 088R05, 088R09, 088R11, and ultra cadastral plot number 088R00, mat 088R01. Asubda mo rabuel mo, au el clan, represented by Ngir Ongor, Doroteo Nangata, Madilikleb ane Marisolang, Amnarulia on Trir, el Meltobda, a certificate of title, el Girel Tiam Lamasawa, der Babel Utuma, el Palauan National Government. Ababir Girel Tialoy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir obisra len gort, el sebe langi dil adel mo omesringi. Al sukum mangaringa adel tel gablil, so alom tokor Tialoy de la Utuma, ikmal Girel file or tangil el mor obisra len gort, el diagabal meudra November 13, 2025. Level meudra tial time ang sebel selul tangil el modigalorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. This is a notice in regarding of land known as Homestead 164, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Palauan State, cadastral lots number 088R01, 088R02, 088R05, 088R09, formerly lot 088R03, 088R11, formerly lot 088R06, and shown on cadastral plat number 088R00 and 088R01. Notice is hereby given that Walgomer clan, represented by Ngir Ongor Doroteo Nangata and Dilikleb ane Marisolang, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Walgomer clan, represented by Ngir Ongor Doroteo Nangata and Dilikleb ane Marisolang, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than November 13, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utom el Ngara Taliu Hamlet, Rablur Ablilio, el cadastral lot number 040R01, 132R01, R618, 040R24, 132R13, 132R07, R4918, R617A, R616A, R344A, Ingara cadastral plat number 040R04, 132R01, 040R00. Asuda Moraboy Muang Silyong clan, represented by Ibik James Girading, Amnaruli on Til Meltobra certificate of title Girel Legal Lamasadar Babel Utuma, El Palauan National Government. Ababel Girel Tialoy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir obisra len court, el sebelangi dil adel mo mesringi. Al sukum mangaringa adel tel gablil, so alom tokor Tialoy de la Utuma, ikmal Girel file or tangil mor obisra len court, el diagabol meudra December 4, 2025. Lebol meudra tial time ang sebel selul tangil el modegalorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as blank located in Taliw Hamlet in Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lots number 040R01, 132R01, R618, 040R24, 132R13, 132R07, R491A, R617A, R616A, R344A, and shown on cadastral plat number 040R04, 132R01, and 040R00. Notice is hereby given that Ngasilyong clan, represented by Itpik James Ginading, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngasilyong clan, represented by Itpik James Ginading, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 4, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. This is a notice regarding land known as Idalbong, located in Taliw Hamlet in Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lots number 085R04, 06, 08, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 092R01, R03, R05, R27, R39, R41, R43, R48, R50, R52, R54, R58, R64, R76, R70, 085, R05, R07, R09, R11, R13, R15, R17, R19, R21, R23, R25, R27, R29, R31, R33, 092, R02, R04, R06, R028, R40, R42, R47, R49, R51, R53, R56, R60, R66, and R68. Notice is hereby given that the Saadoy clan, represented by Yaad Chinkel, Saadoy clan, represented by Gang Itsuao, and Saadoy clan, represented by Wodalath Satski Florencio, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Saadoy clan, represented by Yaad Chinkel, Saadoy clan, represented by Gang Itsuao, and Saadoy clan, represented by Wodalath Satski Florencio, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 4, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. This is a notice regarding land known as Idalbong, located in Taliw Hamlet in Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lots number 085R04, 06, 08, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 092R01, R03, R05, R27, R39, R41, R43, R48, R50, R52, R54, R58, R64, R76, R70, 085, R05, R07, R09, R11, R13, R15, R17, R19, R21, R23, R25, R27, R29, R31, R33, 092, R02, R04, R06, R028, R40, R42, R47, R49, R51, R53, R56, R60, R66, and R68. Yasub del Morabuay, el Masadoy clan, represented by Yaad Chinkel, Masadoy clan, represented by Gang Itsuao, Masadoy clan, represented by Wodalath Satski Florencio, am naruli on trir meltob their certificate of title, el girel legal la Masader Babel Utma, el Palau National Government, Ababier girel tialoy de la Utma, land conveyance agreement, ang arngir obis la len court, el sabelangi dil adel momesringi, al sumangarngi adr tial qablil, el sualom togor tialoy de la Utma, ek mal girel file or tangel mor obis la len court, el diabol meudra December 4, 2025, lebol meudra tial time, en sabel celul tangel el modegalo urior. Sign, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
The Land Court of the National Judiciary Republic of Palau, located in Taliu Hamlet, Peleliu State, in 149R23, and shown cadastral plot number 149R01. Nguyudel clan represented by Runguruel Herman Omelao, Talobat Eunice Oilo, petitioner. Notice is hereby given that the Nguyudel clan, represented by Runguruel Herman Omelao and Talobat Eunice Oilo, has requested that the certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a deed of transfer of such land from Nguyudel clan, represented by Runguruel Herman Omelao and the Talobat Eunice Oilo, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the Land Court, so anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the Land Court no later than December 16, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Date November 11, 2025. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Atalwase tia subda helol tawdar ngi Land Court, malwase tia subda morabuay mukmo ang Nguyudel clan, elom teer ngi Runguruel Herman Omelao, matalob adel Eunice Oilo, amlaruli haontri lol tawdra a certificate of title girela amla masaod erbabal utm el mora Palau National Government. Abavir el girel tial loitela utm ang arngira a obista Land Court el sebelangi dilat el mo omeserngi. At sugum ang arngia at tial tulungalga el soal nom toker tial loidela a utm akmalgirel file au tengel el mora obista Land Court ra atia halbon meudra trui melol mulgo singil ong trui mongarul buire el arrak albo on meudri tial el time heng sabel sel lul tengel el mo otia galorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Date November 11, 2025.
Yasub del Girela Utmal Ngarangasias, Rablu Rabilio, Gadastral 054R02. Asub the Morabual Mangas Kasuk clan, represented by Obagamangalang al Ranir Dor, Mangas Kasuk clan, represented by Muskasuk Che Ogada, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Ngaskasuk Abraham Yurios, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Obak Chak Nirngasang, Mangaskasuk clan, represented by Bilung Marcia Ogada, Amnaruli on Trill Meltobra certificate of title, Girel Tial Masadar Babel Utma, and Palau National Government. Ababir el Girel Tialoy de la Utma, Land Conveyance Agreement, ang Aringir Officer Land Court, el Sebelang Idil Adan Momeserngi. Also Mangaringa Adar Tial Gabli, el Soalom Tor Tialoy de la Utma, Ekmal Girel File or Tangel el More Officer Land Court, el Diabol Meudra December 17, 2025. Level Meudra Tial Time en Sebel Celul Tangel el Modegalurior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Notice is hereby given that Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Obagamangalang Ranir-Dor, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Ngaskasuk Abraham Yurios, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Obak Chak Nirngasang, and Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Bilong Marcia Ogada, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Obagamangalang Ranir-Dor, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Ngaskasuk Abraham Yurios, Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Obak Chak Nirngasang, and Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Bilong Marcia Ogada, has requested to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the Land Court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file in such an objection with the Land Court no later than December 17, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as Ngatarit, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State, cadastral lot number 109R24 and 109R25, 109R26 and 109R27, 109R28 and 109R29. Notice is hereby given that Ngirir's clan, represented by Ngiklep Alfonso Umangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngidier's clan, represented by Ngikleb Alfonso Kumangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 17, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdal Girela Utma El Ngat Arirt El Ngarabalur Ngasya Sarablilio, Kadastral Lat number 109 R24, Ma 25, 109 R26, Ma 109 R27, 109 R28, Ma 109 R29. Asubdal Murabuek Mo, ang Ngidier's clan, represented by Ngikleb Alfonso Kumangay, Maturangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, Amlaruli on Trill Meltov the certificate of title, El Girel Tiel Mlamsadar Babel Utum Palau National Government. Ababiel Girel Tieloy de la Utum, Len Conveyance Agreement, ang Arngir of Israel and Gortel sa Belang Idil Adal Momeserni. At sa kung mga nga other tel Gabriel Solam Tor Tieloy de la Utum, Ikmal Girel File or Tangil more of Israel and Gort, El de Gabal Meo de la December 17, 2025. Level Meo de Tial Timing sa El Selul Tangil Mo de Galurior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Chats. Notice regarding land known as Ngidier's Bungudalul, located in Ngasya's Hamlet, Peleliu State. Cadastral lot number 087 R7, 087 R28, R26, R22. Notice is hereby given that Ngidier's lineage, represented by Oligor Ngidier's Dominic Sangabao and Ngidier's Florentina Nangata, Ngidier's lineage, represented by Ngikleb Alfonso Kumangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngidier's lineage, represented by Oligor Ngidier's Dominic Sangabao and Ngidier's Florentina Nangata. Ngidier's lineage, represented by Ngikleb Alfonso Kumangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 17, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdal Girela Utuma El Ngidier's Bungudalul El Ngablur Ngasya Sarablilio, Cadastral lot number 087 R07, R28, R26, R22. Asubda Murabuak Ngidier's lineage, represented by Oligor Ngidier's Dominic Sangabao, Ngidier's Florentina Nangata. Ngidier's lineage, represented by Ngikleb Alfonso Kumangay, Maturangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons. Amnaruli on Trill Meltov the certificate of title Girel Tiel Mlamsadar Babel Utuma el Palau National Government. Ababiel Girel Teloy de la Utma Land Conveyance Agreement, ang Arngir of Israel and Gortel sa Belang Idil Adal Momeserni. At sa mga nga other Tiel Gablil, so alam Tor Teloy de la Utma, Malgirel File or Tangil more of Israel and Gort, el Diagapon Mio de la December 17, 2025. Level Mio de Tiel Timing sa El Selut Tangil mo de Galurior. Sign, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Chats.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Gurmid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de katememel mera radio station, madagulngit mamay gin masugaw. Makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw, aisen muk mungomur o ingrang momrekor o ingrang, etelat times ratal si, sesayan ringi, esen ringil either moya ka fax, mora 488-4420, maloob e sendringi loya ka email en mora wwfmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recorderingi e rulia invoice e sendringi le korkau e auriul ega me harau. Ali malia moves lo ya de wargau le chospe eringi e lo aisergau maloob nganya harmam raspedem e aki kol segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko mal sulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in DS Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oisine. What do you mean, oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
The fight against a former FBI chief isn't over. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. But for now, it's case dismissed against James Comey as a federal judge rules the interim U.S. attorney who accused him of lying to Congress was not legally appointed to bring the charges to a grand jury. In a reaction video, Comey says the prosecution was based on malevolence and incompetence.
This case mattered to me personally, obviously, but it matters most because a message has to be sent that the President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies.
A White House spokeswoman Caroline Leavitt just telling Fox,
"We believe the attorney in this case, Lindsay Halligan, is not only extremely qualified for this position, but she was in fact legally appointed. And I know the Department of Justice will be appealing this in very short order. So maybe James Comey should pump the brakes on his victory lap."
The same judge tossing out a mortgage fraud case today against New York Attorney General Letitia James. Leavitt also just telling Fox the White House supports a Pentagon investigation of Democratic Senator Mark Kelly, a former Navy captain who could be recalled to active duty for possible prosecution. This after several Democrats with military and national security backgrounds made a video encouraging service members to refuse illegal orders.
Let me be very clear. Not a single order this president or administration has given to our military has ever been illegal, nor will it ever be. This administration respects and abides by the law.
Senator Kelly, who's also a former astronaut, says he won't be intimidated. The Pentagon has not confirmed a link to the video, posting only that the investigation is over misconduct allegations. President Trump says he plans to visit Beijing in April and that China's President Xi is invited for a state visit to the U.S. later next year. This after a call between the two leaders earlier today on multiple topics, including trade. Wall Street rallies, the Dow up 202 at the bell. America is listening to Fox News. Air travel facing its first test since the government shutdown ended, with Thanksgiving records expected.
Remember, we saw all those cancellations and delays during that time because air traffic controllers weren't showing up to work in their normal numbers. They are now, and Secretary Sean Duffy has this message for people who are hesitant to fly this Thanksgiving travel period.
Our priority is your safety, and it's always been our priority. And that's why there were the level of delays and cancellations. So, again, if you can still get a ticket and you can still fly, and your family still wants to see you, book that ticket, jump on a flight and don't be afraid to fly this season.
Over the weekend, TSA screened about 2.5 million passengers each day. That number could top 3 million in the days ahead.
Fox Business's Grady Trimble at New Jersey's Newark Liberty Airport. A new strategic partnership aimed at helping more people. Beast Philanthropy, the charitable organization launched by Mr. Beast founder Jimmy Donaldson, who's known for engaging young people, teaming up with the Rockefeller Foundation, which for more than a century has used its resources to help tackle global problems. There's no decision yet on the issues they plan to work on together. President Trump set to sign an executive order on artificial intelligence, possibly involving a partnership with AI companies.
This executive order could build upon the announcement of a partnership between Dell and the Trump administration announced over the summer. Dell agreed to help the Department of Energy build a supercomputer. That system coming online in 2026. Should the Department of Energy be able to marry that computer with artificial intelligence, the outcome could be limitless.
Fox Business's Edward Lawrence at the White House. This as the administration looks to help the U.S. stay at the forefront of AI development. Again, recapping stocks, the Dow up more than 200, the NASDAQ up nearly 600, and the S&P gains more than 1% to begin a short week of trading. And Lisa Brady, Fox News.